Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Silvercrest citrus juicer for making fresh fruit juice. Automatically switches on off when the cone is pressed. We've got 240 ml, 100 rpm, 85 watt, cable storage, 140 centimeters the cable, and 3 years warranty. Let's see some pictures. Let's open it to see what we have inside. Of course, inside we're going to find out the manual. Stay with me, I'm going to find out all about how you can work with this citrus juicer. Now here we can see we've got a metallic finish, very nice. Cable. Here you can tighten your cable. You can take that out and wash it. From here it comes out the juice. You have the cap, and here for the lemon and for the orange. Nice metallic here. You can take that out and you can wash. Everything is washable. You can push it and it will stop taking out the juice. Very convenient, nice. That's all very nice. It's time to make some orange and lemon. And you can see as I push in is turning around. And there we've got orange and lemon. You can stop it now. Nice. And it's very quiet. Very low noise. And nice, yummy. And close it, and it's not going anywhere. As you're taking your glass of orange, you're not spill it into your countertop. Ah, yummy. Very tasty. Now, let's take that out. And we're going to use for the lemon. But first we're going to clean in that. Nice. Nothing goes waste. And our lovely lemonade. And it stops. Well guys, that was all about this citrus juicer from Silvercrest, that it cost only 22 euros. If you need something like that to your kitchen, if you want to upgrade your old juicer, this is the opportunity to buy it. It costs only 22 euros and I'm sure you will like it. Low noise, perfect juice, orange and lemon. You will have it for a long use. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell. More videos are coming from me and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.